Here's the app Givingli send gifts and cards, especially for the holiday season. Quite a cool app. Givingli makes gifting effortless with customizable gift cards, digital greeting cards, and e-gifts all in one app. Whether you're celebrating birthdays, holidays, anniversary, or just saying thank you, Givingli helps you send through thoughtful gifts instantly, send perfect gifts in seconds, all in one gifting and events, more than just a card. So gift any item, gift card from top brands, track birthdays, personalize everything, send gifts and greetings, create events and include registries. So here you can just tap get and let's just install it. And then yeah, you can just open it up, get started, and then you can just start with your first last name. You already have an account, then you can just log in, and then you have all of this, like you can just send it and personalize card and send digital card, paired cards and gifts. You can see all the events, inbox, your profile where you can just log in or sign up in here.